Hey everyone, I've got some extra time on my hands, and that a few people ask me how I kind of have my truck set up. The one thing you have to remember is that the trucks are all different in that you got your Freightliners, which is what I have, and your Peterbilts, and your Max, and your Volvos, and your Kenworth. So obviously all the interiors are going to be different, but I'm pretty minimalistic when it comes to things. I actually have a lot of extra space on the truck, but I am also a solo driver for the most part, and aside from that, I also have placement drivers or students, however you want to call them, on board as well, so I have to have a little bit of space for them. But what I can do now is kind of give you a tour of the Fulcrum as it's set up just now. I've been rearranging things, so let's take the tour. Yeah. I mean, we'll start up here in the top corner. I keep some reusable bags. That way when I go shopping at Walmart, I can just grab those. Off we go. Keep some random stuff up there in this little compartment. Right now I've got like my extra fuses and things like that, some other paperwork stuff in there. Not really a whole lot up here. I mean, yeah, I keep the paper towels up here and everything. The first aid kit up here. The plastic bags that I get from like Walmart and or like the truck stops, I just kind of put up there, use them as trash bags. Why not? I do have trash bags on board, but you know, some cleaning supplies in there. Not much. Not really anything interesting, you know. Kind of the current setup for the upfront section, you know. Obviously I keep my dashboard pretty clean. I've seen some trucks out there on the road that just has so much garbage and just piled up on there. I'm like, how can you, whatever. You know, and then got the cables. I'm actually working on getting some shorter cables. These are like 13 foot cables, but sometimes I'll kind of have things plugged in and running from in the back, so I need to have some extra slack on it. But anyway, keep all of my little snacks, my little Hobbit snacks up here, and my notebook for all my jobs and everything. This is where I keep all of the small electronic stuff, right up in here. And then of course once we're here in the back, one of the pantries, this is mainly where I keep the Happy Bean juice maker at. Obviously your fridge, refrigerators. I'm able to keep like all of my stuff in my duffel bag. I've got 3 weeks worth of clothes that I can put into that duffel bag. Military roll. Look it up, learn it, love it, saves so much space. And then this is another closet, another area to store things in. Got another little place for the Hobbit food. You know, and then you've got my yes, I do have a stuff on board. Reminds me of my dog back home with the spot over her eye. It's not on the right side, but you know, whatever. Come here. So, and yeah, that was Ahsoka back there. Look at baby Tano. I mean, the truck is called Fulcrum for a reason. Yeah, then you got your typical dash stuff back here. Your AC and your heater and control the lights and everything like that. And I've got this thing. It's just This was like $5. Came with another one and everything that I usually keep up front, but I'm able to keep my AirPods and my iPad and keep my phone in there, get it all charged up, you know. And then the new guy has to take the top bunk. Sorry, that's a part of the initiation. You gotta learn how to sleep up there on the top bunk and everything. I do have the straps up there, so. But underneath my bed, I've actually there's 3 compartments. 2 of them you can get to from the outside of the truck, like a baggage area. That's where I usually keep extra water. And then on the other side I have my liquids, like your windshield wiper fluid and your coolant. Obviously I keep it at the foot of the bed, so I don't want it opened. Oh yeah. And then in the middle compartment, I've actually got a small grill / oven that is just, it's nice. I just don't use it often because it's a pain in the butt to get in and out. But you know, and then that's about it. It's a very short tour. I'm just right now kind of waiting for the next load information to come through, whenever that's going to be. It's also the weekend, which usually means it's a lot of sitting around, and that's usually when a lot of people will do their coming out more Irish than I should be. Let's try doing it this way. A lot of people will do their resets over the weekend, which I can talk about in a different video some other time. But that is that's where we are right now. But hope you have enjoyed this little tour of the truck. If you got any questions, put them down below the video. And if there's something that you want to see in the future, you know where to put the information, where to put the questions, and I'll figure out a way to put the video together. But for now, if you're watching this from the road, just remember you're one day closer to being home. If you're already home, enjoy the time with the family. And when you're out here, make sure that the cars are staying below you. Be safe out there. That load is going to get there no matter what, so take your time and do it safe. Bye for now.